Welcome back to Goshen Prepping as we celebrate Prime Day. Yes, amazing time to get your stuff on sale. And all the different things I could talk about in this channel, there are 10 things, 10 essential items. I would get these. These are my top 10 favorites. And of course, I've linked all of them below. Number one, of course, water is so essential. So you want to get this water drop gravity water filter straw bag. You simply put in the dirty water here. It'll filter it through and make it clean water with very little effort on your part. 30 bucks, great. Make lots and lots of drinking water. Number two, an emergency weather radio. Fantastic. I often get the green one because it is, well, it's a nice color. And that's the one that's on sale for Prime Day, 30 bucks. I own this specific model and we use it all the time. It's great. Now it is crank, which is kind of a pain, but it does have solar as well. Plus all kinds of things like a flashlight and charge up your own device with it. Do not get caught without one of these. Next up, one of my favorite items, this huge rechargeable LED flashlight. Super bright, different modes. Has a tactical head on it, but best part, it's rechargeable. I use my solar generator and such to keep it going, so I don't ever have to fish for batteries in an emergency. Number three, 10 bucks for a 14-in-1 multi-tool. Make sure you pick up one of these, have lots of them for that matter. Number five, so important, a good first aid kit. Now this 450 piece has lots of stuff in it. It has a lot of band-aids and such, which you already have anyway, but it's a great place to start and add on other things too, like Israeli bandages and such. I have other videos on that. So 39 bucks, excellent case, an excellent first aid set. Go ahead and get it. Number six, must have this. I talk about all the time. Rechargeable. It is a Geiger counter. Do not get caught in some type of nuclear radiological emergency, crap hits the fan, etc. without having this, because obviously radiation, you can't detect it without this. And this device, of course, will set it up so you know exactly how much radiation there is to be able to take cover and such. Only $77. This is the cheapest I've ever seen it. 17 bucks for a 4-pack of these rechargeable lights. They are very small and they're clip-on, super, super, super bright, and have other uses as well. So get lots of these. I like to get them out as gifts for people, but we have them everywhere around our house. Number eight, a dual fuel, both propane and butane stove with a carrying case. I love mine. These are great. $34. Granted, you do have to have the gas. I'll link those below as well. But it's nice because it gives you a really nice steady flame to be able to cook in case of emergencies. In my last video, I linked some different types of sleeping bags. This is a cold weather sleeping bag, which is really nice. Goes down to 0 degree. Excellent, excellent sleeping bag. I love mine. I'll link the other video too, by the way, if you want to see those items. But this sleeping bag must have, especially if you're like me, up in Michigan where it's nice and chilly. And number 10, I could call this number one, by the way. One of my favorite items is my owl motion detectors. We have lots of these. In fact, two different sets. We take one when we go backpacking and camping, and we have one around the house. We have sensors everywhere. And every single sensor can have a different independent sound to it, which is nice to be able to detect and see where things are coming from. Excellent, excellent for perimeter security. There you have it, my top 10 favorite items. Which of these do you have? Even better, which are you going to pick up? Of course, I'll link everything below, like I always do. We're Amazon affiliates. We always get a portion of the sale. Your price doesn't change, but it helps us out. Helps out our channel, which of course we always make free to you. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you next time.